Good morning and good afternoon. Many thanks to our Chief Executive Stefano Pessina for his participation and this message. And now, let me start by thanking our external speaker, Alex Gursky, Chief Executive of Johnson & Johnson, and to Jean-Paul Agon, Chief Executive of L'Oréal, for the great partnership we have built with these two companies in several years, and for sparing some time in their busy agenda to be here with us today. Our new board member, Valerie Jarrett, which will share her experience and the learnings. Dr. Sally Uran, Chief Executive at the Forum for the Future, the global charity that advising on our current CSR materiality assessment. Also, special thanks to our Director of Corporate Social Responsibility, Richard Ellis, his team, and all other teams who have contributed to this year's report, including finance, communication, and the CSR. The CSR Committee of WBA, especially to our Chief Administrative Officer International, Frank Standish, and to Fiona Ortiz, Director of Financial Communication and CSR Reporting, Deloitte & Touch for their support, Bloomberg for making today's event such a special occasion. We published this year's edition of our CSR report at a time when the most incredible and challenging crisis in our lifetime is unfortunately still ongoing. COVID-19 has had a profound and, in many cases, tragic impact on our communities, our customers, and our people. As a chair of the Corporate Social Responsibility Committee of Walgreens Boots Alliance, I have never felt more proud to see our people across the WBA have a coming together unit. In particular, our colleagues who are working in our stores, behind the pharmacy counter, in our warehouses, how drive our vehicle. For so many months now, they have been on the front line of the pandemic. They embody the true spirit of WBA and they clearly show that our company plays a crucial role in society as a patient and the consumer depend on us for medication and essential item purchase and the delivery in a safe environment, for respect, information and care, for COVID-19 testing and more recently vaccination. In 2020, WBA joined the Dow Jones Sustainability North America Index. This is the best recognition of the company's outstanding performance in corporate sustainability and the best testament of the extraordinary contribution of our WBA people to what we have been able to achieve in fiscal 2020 despite the pandemic. With cancer organization in particular, raising $10.8 million for the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society, and the Susan Komen in our first year of a partnership, Boots raising $1 million for Macmillan in the UK, bring the cumulative total to $20.85 million since this partnership was launched in 2009. And through our Specta platform, we create across Europe in collaboration with the OTC, recruiting 1,000 new patients in less than 1 year. In helping children, in particular, providing life-changing vitamin to more than 250 million women and children around the world through our partnership with Vitamin Angel. We have extended the commitment to 3 more years to reach a total 400 million through Walgreens raising over $15 million for Red Nose Day through the Walgreens Get a Shot, Give a Shot program, where we provide over 60 million life-saving vaccine to children in developing countries. in reducing waste, plastic, packaging and emission. Let me mention that Walgreens was recognized as a goal achiever for the Better Building Challenge for reach its energy intensity reduction commitment in fiscal 2020. In promoting a healthy and inclusive workplace, we published our first global diversity inclusion report for WBA, covering fiscal years 2018 and 2019, and added inclusion to our company value. In 2020, WBA played such a crucial role in such challenging circumstances. Our global brand division has been doing a tremendous job in terms of PPE, with an average of 100 million per month masks and over 2 million units of gloves sourced since April. As of mid-January, Walgreens has completed over 3.2 million COVID tests in the US, Boots over 2.1 million in the UK. The role we are going to play in 2021 is even bigger in helping bring the pandemic to an end. Walgreens began administering the vaccine back in December to high-risk elderly individuals in long-term care facilities and medical care providers, and expect to administer 30 million doses of COVID-19 vaccine in the US by the end of this summer. Boots' first vaccination took place in Halifax in January, and we have developed a program to assist National Care System England and relieve pressure of GPs. Across Europe, we are already involved in COVID vaccine distribution in several countries through Alloga and Alliance Healthcare. As I often say, a company can be a great company only when it thinks of others. This is the only way all of us can really feel part of our purpose, thanks to the ideas, passion, commitment of our colleagues. We can do much for the progress of our community. I want to thank all of them. Without the support, we would not have been able to develop and deliver so many impactful programs, especially in a year in which raising funds, events and volunteering were several disrupted by COVID-19 restrictions. Thanks again, and I'm looking forward to a great event.